Hi children, today I'm going to teach you about the most important lesson in Pascal. It's the while and the until. Today in this series I'm going to teach you about do while. So before I go further, let me go to the ICT book. What does this loop says about it? You must remember it there says the conditions are checked at the beginning of the loop, which the conditions are checked. The statements inside the loop will execute only if the condition is true. It will loop forever. The statement inside the loop never executes if the condition is false. The condition becomes false at the end of the repetition. If the condition does not become false while the repetition is executed, it will be an infinite loop. So let me just go back to my Pascal, and over here now I have written a simple program, and I have given a variable as num1 as integer, and it begins. Num1 has given an initial value of 0, and I have written a code saying loop while num1 is lesser than 0, and then num1 is given an initial increment of num1 plus 1, and then it writes each time when the loop is added. Now let's run this and see, and I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is num1 lesser than 5? Yes. So the condition begins, and as it said, the loop will end when the condition is false. When the condition is false. Is num1 lesser than 5? Now it's not lesser than 5, it's greater than 5, or it's 5, so the condition stops. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching. Now in this lesson, now I have added another new variable called num2, and they are all having integer values. Initially I have set num1 to 1 and num2 to 2, and now I have set the num1 to do a condition lesser than 5, as you know. And then each time when the loop increments, I have added 1 to its num1. Each time when the loop of num2 is repeated, I have made num1 to multiply by num1 and to write its value each time when the num2 is repeated. Let me just go and see how the program runs. Now I know that num1 will only increment how many times? 4 times. Yes, 4 times. So let me bring up a small scale.